this video is about Soulflower Carrier Oils. As you can see, we have a variety of carrier oils for any of the concerns that you may have. We have oils according to your concerns such as hair and scalp, hair and skin, and only skincare. The first oil we have is Rosemary Lavender Healthy Hair Oil. It not only promotes hair growth but has antifungal properties which fights dandruff and makes hair strong in only 21 applications. The next oil we have is Sesame Carrier Oil. It nourishes and heals the damage caused by the sun. It improves the skin elasticity. The next oil we have is Tea Tree Oil for scalp and dandruff care. This oil is ideal for people who have dandruff problems as it has antifungal and antibacterial properties. This oil provides optimal results in 7 applications. Castor Carrier Oil. Castor oil is famous for moisturizing both skin and hair. It is ideal for eyelashes and thicker eyebrows. Coconut Carrier Oil. Coconut oil helps in moisturizing skin and healing dry and damaged hair. It is also a very good makeup remover for every skin type. Bringraj Carrier Oil. Bringraj, along with coconut and sesame oil, helps to control severe hair loss and baldness. It also moisturizes the scalp. Olive Carrier Oil. Being non-sticky and light, olive oil moisturizes skin and hair if used regularly. It is also good for cuticles and nails. Jojoba Carrier Oil. Jojoba oil is best for priming the skin before makeup and removing the makeup as well. It protects the skin from damage from pollution and the sun. Rosehip Carrier Oil. Rosehip oil is the best oil for skin. It is an anti-aging miracle. It helps fade blemishes, reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Argan Carrier Oil. This oil is best for dry and frizzy hair. You can use this as a natural hair serum. It gives you desirable hair shine and texture. Avocado Carrier Oil. Avocado oil provides supple skin and strong hair. As it contains vitamin C, it helps in soothing skin and scalp irritation. It keeps cuticles moisturized as well. Grapeseed Carrier Oil. This oil is the best for oily skin as it controls acne and pimples. It lightens blemishes as well.